YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So, we got an incredibly fast response from Flysky, and they have managed to fix the G7P, and it's very easy. So we now got full functionality restored, and we've got it updated to the latest 1.024. Sorry if I sound a bit bunged up, but I've been virused and it's awful, and I'm currently about 50 million degrees, but I'll do my best to keep doing these videos for you. Would have got this one done sooner, but I've been away up to Loch Ness on new motorbike, so I've been away all weekend. Quite an interesting ride, did about 900 mile in 2 days. First ride on bike was 435 mile, I think. But let's crack on with video and show you what you need to do to restore functionality to your G7P.
So we need to download the software. We need to connect our G7P with the error message on it. And I'm going to run as admin. We get a UAC prompt. Then we get the new software updater, but it's not detecting the G7P, so let's unplug it and reconnect it. Right, so this one's detecting it as software version 000. The other updater detected it as 2.4 or 2.3. So let's see if we can reset it. Update successful. Right, we now have a totally different message on the screen. So I'll get you a shot of that. So it literally changed straight away to that version. So let's have a look what happens. So let's see if we can disconnect it and reconnect. So now it's showing up as version 1 on the original 2.4 updater. Update successful, and we now have a fully working G7P on the latest software update. So you might have heard it on the microphone, but as soon as I run the 1024 update, as controllers restarted, so we're back into alt settings and everything. So now we should be able to restore our backed up memory file. Just wait for Assistant to connect. So now we've got Assistant V3 open, we should be able to go to his device settings. It's reading as firmware as 1024. So we should be able to click Import, Load Model. We need to browse to his desktop. So we should be able to read all his model memories. And I'm just going to override them all because it's a lot easier. So basically, you tick them all, click Add, and then we should be able to select OK. So then if you want to check that it has stored them on your controller, you can either check on your controller itself, or you can click Load and it'll show them all. So we should now have a fully working G7P And our system memories, I'm just checking through menu, so if we go to select, yep, we've got every one of our settings all copied back to controller. So let's wrap this one up.
Right, so there you have it. Nice and easy to do, and Assistant does restore all the memories, so that's all good. I'll be able to do a video soon on the new functionality of it and run you through what the changes are, whether it's worth doing this update or not. As a rule, I'd always said the updates are worth taking. They do bring new functionality or improved functionality to the controllers, and credit to Flysky, this issue will have only affected a very small number of users, but if you do get affected by it, I'll drop a link to the file that you can download. So you basically plug in your controller with the weird message on screen that it's sort of frozen. You run the restore firmware, it restarts and it changes what it says on the screen. You'll be able to read what it says. It says something about new firmware restore or something like that. And then just straight away after, run the actual update to 1024. You'll see it restart. It'll come up with Flysky logo, fully restored. Plug it into Assistant and just copy your memories back over to it. Really nice and easy. No need to send your controller back, which I love it when, I mean, any company can have something go wrong, something gets missed. Especially when you're updating these from a PC. It can be a driver update on PC, it can be corruption on PC, it can be a USB driver that causes it to time out, it can be incompatibility with software, anything. But the fact that Flysky have managed to very quickly bring out a fix for this, and it doesn't require taking your controller apart, doing any soldering, just a quick plug-in, firmware restore, firmware update, and then done. So, credit to Flysky. Yes, it was a tiny issue, but they basically fixed it in seconds. So, really impressive. Carry on with good work, Flysky. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Hopefully you find this useful or entertaining or a bit of both. Hopefully you can understand what I'm saying, and I'll try and get a bit better and get some more videos made for you. But catch you guys again in the next one.